In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can recover deleted memories on your Snapchat. So first of all, what we want to do is head over to our Snapchat, and then once we open it up right here, we can then head over to our profile by clicking on this little icon right here. From here, we want to go over to settings, and then once we head over to settings, we then want to scroll down until we see the option for I need help, which is situated right under support right here. So click on I need help. That will then bring us over to this page, and then what we can do now is simply click on the search bar right here, and then we want to select the option download my data. Now once we click on this, you will be redirected over to this page, and then what we can do is scroll down until we see the option for accounts.snapchat.com. Click on this. That will then redirect us over to here, and once you are redirected over to here, you might need to log into your account. If not, you will be on this page right here, and then what we can do is we can go down and click on my data. As you can see, you've got a lot of different options right here, and first of all, you can choose the file type. I will just keep it in HTML, which is probably the most common that you will see. And then what we can do then is go down and then uncheck all of the boxes that we do not want. So as you can see, I have got memories and other media checked. Once you've got this, you can then click on next. You can then go ahead and choose a date range and everything like that. So if we click on this, you can go back pretty much as far as you would like. Click on any date. Make sure the correct email is listed in the confirm your email address box. And then once you are happy, what you can then do is simply click on submit. Now once we click on submit, as you can see, Snapchat will start creating a copy of your files, and then it will be emailed to you once it is ready. So it's just that simple to go ahead and recover deleted memories on your Snapchat.